Hello everyone, my name is Preethesh from first semester CSC branch Seniors Institute of Technology, Palachil, Mangalore. The name of the product is Bicycle. The name of the startup company is Beyond Limits. The logo is as you can see. The feedbacks collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. The first one is more storage capacity. Second one is less manpower to pedal the cycle. Third one is good suspension and brakes for bumpy roads. Fourth one is various design at the same price. Next, we have based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. The first one is made with eco-friendly material. Second one is safety features. Third one is mini storage space for keeping things. Fourth one is disc blades for better braking. And the futuristic name of the product is Cyclone. In next in prototype stage, the real working model of to has to be manufactured. But due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is as given below. As you can see, this might be what it looks in the future. Next, as actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. And lastly, thank you.